Welcome to Activity 4. In this activity, we will be developing fluency, identifying the number that comes 1 before. For example, the number that is 1 before 6 is 5. To complete this activity, you will need one of each bomb block from 1 to 10 in a jumbled pile within reach of both players. If you have original boards, please place them inside a write and wipe sleeve. Activity 1 is completed on the number track. I have Karis here with me as player 2.
Hello.
I'm going to tell Karis to close her eyes while I flick the spinner. I'm going to collect the matching bomb block and put it on the number track. I can then tell Karis to open her eyes. And can you tell me the number that comes 1 before?
The number 1 before 3 is 2.
And then I'll pick it up to check. And you're right. So then you record that in your score. Now we'll swap roles. You tell me to close my eyes.
Okay, shut your eyes. Okay, you can open them now.
The number 1 before 10 is 9. And then you can lift it up.
That's correct.
Now, for this game, because we're thinking about the number that comes before, that is the idea of less. So the player with the least number wins. So, Karis, you win for this round.
Yay!
Now it's your turn.